9 and 10's Eric Lloyd has more details on the planning that goes into an election like this from those asking for support.
Anytime that we can put money into our facilities, buses, and other things that we use on a daily basis, it's important to do.
In Michigan, you can't use per pupil funding on infrastructure. If a school district wants something built, remodeled, or updated, it has to come from a millage. When to ask for that bond can be a bit of a strategy. Do you ask for it in a statewide packed election when turnout will be highest, or ask in May or August when there will be fewer voters but more dedicated? Next month, voters will determine the fate of bonds in school districts like Detour, Pellston, Morley-Stanwood, Baldwin, Buckley, and Beal City. Beal City chose August simply for the timing.
We saw that our debt was being paid off quicker because our taxable value had increased. At that point, we knew we probably had to do something.
Their previous millage is being paid off early due to that increase in value. The district has 86 wind turbines in the area. Each of those are essentially a small business and are taxed like it. So they wanted to capture that new tax base before the end of the year.
We got that package down to about $11 million. So it's a 12-year bond for generating $11 million with no increase to our taxpayers.
Their plan will build 3 new classrooms, buy 3 new school buses, renovate their stage, and put in air conditioning among the long list. All crucial improvements to better the day-to-day for students, which they think will appeal to voters.
And I think that's part of the key, getting a lot of input up front as you're developing the plan, which I think we've done.
In Isabella County, Eric Lloyd, 9 and 10 News.